Alright guys, Josh Tech and we're back again with another tech video. So we're going to do a little unboxing on the Cool Master CM310 gaming mouse. Now I did purchase this for my own money. I did not get sponsored by this. And I will do an unboxing and maybe a short little review, but mostly more of an unboxing on this. Now real quick before I do the unboxing video, I am going to be facing the camera down so you guys could see it. I figured we'd try this. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this unboxing view. If you do, let me know. So I did purchase this for like $23. So right now it's on sale at the time for $22.16 on Amazon. So if you guys want to check it out, and Cooler Master is a great company that makes good products. As you guys know, in the past I have done a Cooler Master on my gaming mouse pad. So let's check out the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the CM310 Cool Master RGB gaming mouse. So let's open this up and check it out. Got the tab right there. Accidentally cut into the box. So the reason I'm doing the video this way is, guys, you guys can see the RGB mouse. It'll be better to see it this way, and then you guys can see the box and everything. So pretty much this is the RGB for flashy looks and ergonomic shapes and grips and types. So I mean, pretty much this is for Windows 10 and everything. So this is the box looks like. It does come with the Cool Master, does have that purple. So let's check it out. So that slides right off. And then when you just get the box like this, and then it does have more tape on the sides, so let's check it out. There's freaking tape everywhere. So yeah, so let's open it up, and I'm excited about this mouse. Now this mouse does retail for $22, and yes, I know you guys are like, what? Cooler Master? Yes, this is a budget gaming mouse. So basically, open it up, make your gaming experience. So I like it, I really do. So let's take it out of the box. Take it out. So it does come with this little booklet. Basically, it can tell you how to use the mouse. Basic, common. Shows you all the buttons. So I mean, it's just different languages, so you kind of don't need that. Now there's no software for this mouse. It's just plug and play. Tear that off. It's just a plug and play mouse, so you just plug it in and boom, you're ready to go. Now the first thing I noticed about this mouse actually is no braided cable. Now I know people don't like braided cables, and I'm thinking about the braided cable because it gets caught on the edge of the table. So this is actually, so that's kind of cool. I mean, I do like the braided cables, but this is not a big deal. But for 22 bucks, what do you expect? So Cooler Master, to be honest with you, Cooler Master actually makes some good products. So when I saw this, I had to pick it up and do an unboxing on this to check this out and do maybe like a little test review for about a good couple weeks, try it out and see how it works, and maybe do a review on it. So nothing else in it, just about it. That's about it. So here's the mouse right here. First of all, I'm going to tell you straight up, this mouse is really, really nice. It's actually it's a little bit smaller than my Razer. My Razer is actually right here. It's a little bit smaller, so if you got really big hands, this is not, I recommend this not for a person with big hands. If you're actually left-handed, this is more of a right-handed mouse because it does have buttons on the side. So this is a really sleek mouse. Now pretty much you just plug it in and just turn it on, that's it. There's no software, no nothing, so it's just a simple basic mouse. If anybody's looking for something under, there we go. Basically, someone's looking for something under $22. So it does ask you to set up the device where you're setting it up to, and it pretty much just works. So that's it. It's already in. It's already plugged in. There's no software, no programs. If you guys want something simple and fast, all right. So here is the Cool Master gaming mouse. Now, like I said, Cooler Master makes good products. They have great stuff. Scroll wheel is very nice. very rubbery. I like that because I don't like plastic. The side grips, very, very nice. I'm actually going to be trying this for about, I'm going to try this instead of my razor. And I'm going to try this playing Fortnite games, etc. Stuff like that. And this is going to be my gaming mouse for a while. Check it out. It's got really nice matte finish, adjustable DPI, optical sensor, often games performance. So it is an optical sensor. So while rubber side grips, weight body give perfect comfort. So it's very nice. It is a little smaller, like I'm gonna say. So if you got some really big hands, if you're a palm gripper, so I think the mouse is really nice. I noticed it doesn't really pick up fingerprints. I don't really see any like my fingerprints on there. I did wash my hands, so I really do like this feeling of this side right here, the rubber. So, and it's got extra glide on here. So this mouse is just pretty basic, simple. It's a gaming optical sensor, rubber side grips, RGB illumination. So balance weight is calibrated to 100 grams. It's not too light or not too heavy. It's just perfect for gaming and domination. So it feels really nice. Honestly, it feels really good. I don't know, maybe I'll be better at Fortnite. Who knows? Don't know until I try. So you can change the cycle in here, just tap it. I do like that one. That one's pretty nice. Let's see if we turn off the light. So I'll turn off the light. That's what it looks like. I think it looks really, really nice. It glows like really nice, perfectly around the mouse. So I actually wanted to do this view so I could kind of show you on a white mouse pad to show you what it looks like. So let's see. So it is a 10,000 DPI sensor off about 10,000. So that is pretty high for a gaming mouse. Usually I don't go that high. So the item weight is actually 4.8 ounces. So if you guys want to know how much it weighs, so it's about that weight. So the material is ABS plastic and rubber. It is for palm and claw. So if you're a palm or like you're a claw, basically LED color is 16.7 million RGBs with 5 modes. The DPI is actually 7 levels. It's actually at 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, and 10,000. So you could go down to 500. And I believe mine is at like 500 right now. So it does feel like it. And then you just want to click on it to go back up. Now it does have 8 buttons. So it has these two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So it does have 8 buttons. Look at that. Now it's really changing. So right here, I guess this is what basically I'm trying to figure this out. So this turns off the RGB, but this stays on. But why would you want it off if you got an RGB mouse? So I really do like that cycle. Sorry, I take that back. These are the RGBs. These are the DPIs right here. So you want to turn the DPI up, hit this button right here. And then you want to turn down the button right here. And it'll go down to 500. Honestly, I think 500 is pretty low. So we're definitely going to have to try this mouse out. But that's about it. Basically, his mouse is $22.16 right now. So actually, so here it is right here, the RGB Cooler Master Gaming Mouse. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I really like it. And for $22, you cannot beat that deal. I mean, this is a great gaming mouse. I noticed so far, I have not got no fingerprints on it. No smudges. It does get like dirt trapped in the gridges, as you could already tell. I only had it just time to open the box, so it does trap dirt in there. It has like some kind of grooves. Now I know my this mouse has been taking abuse. I do have the Razer Mamba Tournament Edition mouse, and this mouse is really great, really lightweight. I noticed the only thing is these buttons are a little bit smaller than these, the Razer. I do like the big fat buttons on the side, they're just easier to hit. So, but of course I'm comparing a Razer mouse that's almost $80 compared to this one. So if you guys are looking for a good budget gaming mouse, this is it. This is the mouse to get for 22 bucks. So I want to do a little unboxing on this. I did the down review, so let me know what you guys think of that. If you guys like that, so you guys can see the product and the unboxing on it and everything. I got 2 gaming mouses, so if one goes out, I'll have a backup and stuff. So that's about it, guys. So alright guys, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of the view. If you guys like this way, I will start doing the unboxing videos this way. Depends on how big the item is and stuff. If it's really big, I might just do it this way. So I figured I'd kind of spice it up because I did do it on my LG headphones a while back. So I'll put it in my tech playlist and you guys could check this out. So alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys later.